Hansen, Window Warriors Forum. Check us out at windowcleaningwarriors.com. Today we're going to take a look at using a squeegee and the technique to use your right and left hand efficiently. Using the same pattern, we're going to use the same pattern for both windows, right and left side. Starting in the corners, knocking those top three corners out, coming back down the left side, leaving that center for last, squeegeeing that up. Efficient squeegee strokes using an 18-inch squeegee here. We're going to repeat that on our left side. Watch the same pattern, watch this video more than once to see what this pattern is and how efficient these strokes are. When you're using a ladder, you're going to need to utilize both your right and left hands. Hanging in a chair doing high-rise work, you're going to need both hands as well to make your work safer and more efficient. Thanks for watching. Saad here, Window Warriors Forum.